Hello and welcome everyone. Today we are going to learn how to make a chatbot by using the service provided by Amazon called Amazon Lex. Amazon Lex enables you to easily make a chatbot for your mobile devices, web apps, or any chat services, for example, Facebook Messenger. Amazon Lex scales automatically so you don't need to worry about provisioning hardware and managing infrastructure to power your bot experience. So let's get started with it. To get started with AWS services, first you need to create your AWS account. If you don't have one, you should go to this website aws.amazon.com. You get to this page, click on get started for free and put in your details and follow the procedure. Once you're logged in to Amazon Web Services, you will be presented by this page. This is the Amazon Management Console. Here, you just go to the search bar and search for Lex. You'll come to this page where you can see there's a get started button. Click it. So this is the Amazon Lex console. I have a bot over here, but if you're new to this, you won't have anything over here. So first steps first, you have to just press on create bot. Here you have to enter the details for your bot. For example, that what is your bot's name? For example, we keep it test bot. Keep a description. Then you have to put IAM permission. If you don't know about this, then just click the option create a role with basic Amazon Lex permissions. This will automatically create an IAM permission role. Then you have to check for COPPA, that is Children Online Privacy Protection Act. We have to adhere to it. This is the idle session timeout. So for example, if somebody is using your chatbot and they're idle, they're not messaging, so the chatbot resets after 5 minutes of idle activity. Just ignore this for now and let's create a chatbot. So on this page, you're provided with options to languages that you want in your chatbot. There are many languages, but for now we'll stick to English United States. The next option is text to speech, that is voice interaction. For this tutorial, we're not using text to speech and we are only creating a text-based application. Just click done. And here we are. So for a chatbot, we have to create intents. So let's first see what an intent means. Intent is a back and forth message from the chatbot to the user. So for example, we'll create an intent to just say hello to the user. So we'll name it hello intent. Sample utterances. So what are these? Utterances are the commands that the user will provide, and detecting these commands, your chatbot will respond to it. So if a user says hi, the chatbot will respond. So different users have different tendencies to talk. Not everyone will say hi. So you also have to include hello or maybe hey or maybe howdy, like this. You can add as many as you want. So next we go to fulfillment. Once your chatbot detects that utterance has been commanded by the user, what the chatbot has to reply. If the user says hi, the chatbot will say hello there. So this is a basic chatbot. We'll just save it and build it. The building takes usually a minute, so let's wait for it. Meanwhile, we can see there's a test button over here. You can test your chatbot, but only after it's built. So the build is done now. We can press the test button. So this is the layout of a chatbot. There is no messages right now. So now I am the user. I press hi. The chatbot says hello there. So if I text him hey, does he does the same reply? Yes, because we have included in our utterances hey, and all the others you can see. Okay, so moving on. So this was the hello intent. How do we proceed further? We'll make a new intent actually. So we'll go back to the intents list, and you can see here there is a fallback intent. When no intent matches, like if the user pressed something else, he just put his name instead of hi or hello, then this intent will run. Over here, you can put anything like your message was not recognized. Command not recognized. And just save the intent. Let's go back. If we build the chatbot right now, and if we now test it, if I don't put any utterances that we included in hello, the output should be command not recognized. We'll wait for the build to finish and we'll test the chatbot then. Okay, so now our build is finished and we can test the chatbot. Okay, so if I say something random like rainbow, so there will be command not recognized because it does not recognize rainbow. It is not an utterance that we put. To recheck it, if our utterances are working, I'll just put hey. So it says hello there. So if I say anything else like insect, it should say command not recognized. Perfect. It's working right. So now let's build it more. So now we have a hello intent and a fallback intent. We'll add a new intent. We'll choose add empty intent. What should the name of this intent be? We'll actually ask for user for his personal details. So I'll name it details intent. Okay, so in this intent, what do we want now? We'll say that if the user provides an utterance called details, then this intent should run. Here we'll introduce something known as slots. Okay, so what is slots? Slots is a way of getting an input through your user. I will say chatbot is only a way to get an input through user. No, but in slots we store the input into a variable. Okay, we'll click add slot name. This is the variable name that we put in. So for example, let's just say I want the user's name. So I'll type here username. All right. The and we have to select the type of the input that the user is going to give. So if we're taking name, we'll say Amazon.firstName. These are the predefined slot types from Amazon. And what should be the prompt, like what the chatbot will ask the user? We'll type here, what is your name? And we'll add it. Yeah, so that's it. Now we've added a slot. Let's just add some more so that it's better. It becomes a better bot. Now we can put some other variable. We can ask him which city is he from. So I'll name this variable city, and slot type will be Amazon.city. Yeah. And the question will be which city do you live in? All right. And we'll click add. So now we have two slots. Let's add some more. This is for his phone number. So I'll name it phone, and slot type will be phone number. Prompts, please enter your phone number. So now we have three slot options. Okay, so after the user has filled his details in the chatbot, what message do you want him to get? So there is an option for closing responses when this, if the user inputs his three queries that we've put in, then this intent will close automatically. So do you want a message to be given out when this intent is closing? We can say like, thank you for providing your details. Okay, here I want to show you something. Now that we have taken the user's name into the variable, what was the variable that we used for this? It was username. Okay, so now this variable has the user's name. Now we can use this variable in any other text field by just putting curly braces and name, using the variable name, that is username. I'll just show you how this works. We'll save the intent and let's build it. Now again, building will take a bit of time, so we can wait it out. Alright, with the build finished, we can now test our bot. Let's start with a simple hi. The bot says hello there. So now what was the utterance that we used for this form to come up? That was details. So if the user presses details, the bot will start to ask the questions that we put in. The bot asks, what is your name? For example, I just put in a random name, that is Sam. Which city do you live in? I live in NYC. Please enter your phone number. I just put in 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So it ends with thanks for providing your details, Sam. So now do you see over here how he took my name input and he got it over in this text? This is done by including these curly brackets and the variable in which the name is stored. Also, to see this chatbot putting in data real time, we can use this inspect button. This is the details that we provided at the last time. So again, we'll start it. You can see the hello intent is called over here. Now the second utterance that we had was details. So it calls details intent. And he's asking what is your name. So see, as you can see, the username, it is blank over here. When we put our name, say Tom this time, and you can see there's a username incoming Tom. Which city do you live in? Okay, so now I'll provide him with Montreal. So as you can see, the city is updated to Montreal. Please enter your phone number. Again, I'll do some random numbers and press enter. So this is being recorded. So this is how our chatbot is currently working. But as you can see, putting details is not very efficient. How the user will know that he has to put details? So to enhance, to improve that, what we can do is, as you can see, there is a hello there message over here. At the end of this message, we can just give a prompt that if you want to continue filling your details, press Y. So if the user inputs Y, this form will begin. Okay, let's do that. So how do we make this form begin with Y? As we know, we can add utterances. I will add Y as an utterance. So if details is called, this form will run. If Y is called, this form will run. Okay, I'll save this. And now we have to edit the hello message. So we go to the hello intent block. We go to reply. We go to fulfillment. That is here. Hello there. To continue filling your details, we'll not say press, we'll say reply with Y. Alright, let's try this now. So now we saved it and let's build it. Again, building will take a minute, so I'll see you then. Alright, we are back with the build and let's test our bot. Let's actually begin with something that is not in our utterances. Test if our fallback intent is working properly. So what should I put? Myself. Just put something random. Command not recognized. See, if I say hi, it says hello there. To continue filling your details, reply with Y. Now, if I reply with Y, it will start asking me the form in details intent. So what is your name? Now I am Ron. Which city do you live in? Where do I live in now? Let's go with NYC again. Please enter your phone number. I'll just put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 again, and that's it. Thank you for providing your details, Ron. And in the inspect element, we can see that these details have been updated. So this is how you make a simple basic chatbot using the Amazon service called Amazon Lex. I hope you find this video useful. So now you can go explore, make your own chatbot, and let me know in the comments how your chatbot is going. And if you have any problem, you can just comment it. I will make sure to reply to it. That's it from my side. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like the video and leave a comment below. Thank you and goodbye everyone. Have a great day.